Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can nail this colorful kawaii look of Decora hair magic in DTI. So if you want to bring a rainbow explosion to your hairstyle in DTI, get ready to unlock this secret to the perfect Decora hair look with all the cute colors and accessories you can imagine. Here, you can just add to the salon, of course. And for the first hairstyle that you need to use is this one. This one is in here. And change the color into the color that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with this. I'm going to just go with this colors in here. And you can use this here for the next one, this one, but toggle it into only bangs. And again with the same color. And the next one, use this one in here, this one. And use this one with the long braid here. Again, use the same color. And I'm going to put on this one next to get that bun. And lastly, just use this one in here, this one, with no bangs. And that's it. And you'll get this Decora hair look. So, what do you think? Whether you're going for a pastel cream or a full-on color explosion, this guide will help you achieve a look that is as playful as cute as art. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!